This is John Brown of the Chimney Check Professionals. This is the video portion of my inspections where I take a look at the inner walls of the system and I take a cursory look at the firebox. When we look at this firebox, what we can see is that the brick surround materials on the right and left are actually sort of blocking the firebox opening itself. Then there's a mortar material here that is actually blocking a vent, and that's both sides. There's actually a vent system built into the fireplace, and air is supposed to circulate here, so that's sort of blocking that. Well, not sort of, but it is blocking it. We have a firebox with a gas line system. We have the damper. The damper is technically not fully closed. You can see that it will close. Pretty much all I would be talking about from the fireplace perspective. It appears to me that there's a sheet metal piece missing here. I'm actually 100% sure on it. Based on everything I see, it does appear to be that one. Not fully unknown. This particular manufacturer is long gone. I do not believe I'm going to be able to get a manual for it. I also don't know the model of it. The model here, the actual information on that appears to be covered. I don't think that the part that I think is missing is that important in this particular case. That is guesswork. I believe it's accurate, but I can't promise you that. This is looking up into the system. You can see somebody actually put a clamp on it, but the purpose of the clamp is to stop it from closing. So if it still closes, the clamp really doesn't do anything. I'm going to pause recording, restart when I get at the very top. This is the very top of the chimney. We're looking at the termination cap spark arrestor. As I bring the camera down, this is a unique chimney system in relation to its design. I've actually only seen one other one of this particular design here. What I mean by that is this particular configuration here. Normally I would look at this and go, wow, these are exposed lances, the chimney is not attached correctly. But that is not the actuality of it. This is actually a separate piece that each connection has right here. That is actually the connection of the chimney. Now as far as the outer wall of the chimney system, I'm not able to see it from there to get into the chase area, so that is beyond my inspection. From the video perspective, I don't really see anything to talk about as far as the chimney system itself goes. That's always a good thing. I have not gone on the roof, and I may or may not be able to. I will just make an effort to do it. This concludes the video portion of the inspection for the living room fireplace. Make sure you review my written report for all my findings and recommendations.